So we finally got the steel plates. Got 2 of them. $400. Half-inch thick. Perfect. Now I'm going to make a steel sandwich. The plan is to drill the holes, and this is going to go in the center of these 2. And that'll give me 3.5 inches, which will be perfect to sit on top of a 2x4.
Put the plate over here. All right. Is that 1/2-inch paddle? Yeah. Alright, so now I need a paddle bit bigger than the washer. Got one bigger than this? It's a little bit small. Let me see. Yeah, it should work. Clamp it. Your side, don't move it, just clamp it. gonna vacuum that off. You gonna let go? Alright. What? Some of these are way off. They're fine, dude. Come on, put the wood up there. Alright, I gotta start down here. Give me a nut and a washer. Steel sandwich. Give me another nut washer. So I'm gonna get them all in loose and then we'll wrench them down. I'm using 1/2-inch carriage bolts. You know what, let me do down this end and then we can flip it up so I can do it a little easier. Give me another one. Alright, let's try to stand it up. You want to come this way or that way? I want to go that way. Alright. You gonna put a nut and washer on them as I pound them in? I suppose. I need to come over there. Flash the light on that side. It's fine, I don't know what it's catching on. Doesn't make sense. centered and everything. For some reason it won't go through. Where's the little mole at? Come on. Wow. Give me the nut. This one might have got boogered up. Alright, give me that gun. I'm gonna try to run this one on. Alright, beat that with a hammer. See it sticking out. Nope. What are you doing? You just gonna stand there and stare at me?
We're talking about.
Beat it in. Beat it in. Beat it more. More. Keep going. No, stop.
It's spinning so square part is not happening.
Give me another nut. Throw this one in the trash. Yeah, I see it going crooked a little bit. I might need a wrench or something. Give me a wrench. Pliers or something. As long as that nut is in, it's good to go. I just want the nut flush with the wood or in a little bit. Then I'm gonna have to trim those with the grinder. Excellent. What? I missed?
No.
Then why? Know what? Don't start. I missed 3 times. Of course, the last one's a problem.
Maybe wring it out a little bit this way. You know what I'm saying?
That one's too big. Give me the other one. You know, the square of the carriage bolt won't grab if the hole's too big. How you gonna hold this? You know what I mean? Can't even get a wrench or anything on it. Where's that mole? Flash that light over there. Okay. Give me that nut. And the washer. You don't have one yet?
No.
Get this bolt a shot. Let me see that gun. Take it shot.
Yeah, maybe right now I'll get out probably.
You got another one of them shot bolts? One that's manual, I use it as a punch. Give me that maul. Alright, so give me another bolt. Let's try this again. Got a nut? Here it is. Here we go.
right, one is done. Now on to number two.
Try to drill the hole straighter this time. Go ahead, vacuum. Go ahead, get the vacuum. Alright, let's pop the bolts through first. See how that works. Because I know these are crowned. Give me that hammer.
They want small.
You give me one, I need one. Give me the small one. Alright, I'll take that one out. Just do two on the ends. Just make it flush, that's good.
So,
What?
one is a little bit carrying
What are you talking about? Well, yeah, remember we had a clamp to get the bow out of it?
This one.
Well, that's why you have two hands. How did that happen? How is that even possible? Craziness goes on, man. Just do it. I'll get this one. So it looks like we gotta get your side in first, and then my side. Since yours is cattywampus. Stop. If it ain't going, it ain't going. Alright, come on. There's no, you got two hands, you got four splats, whatever you gotta do. Put it in, tap it down. Well, tap it down. What are you giggling about? There's nothing funny here.
You were involved.
Well, I gotta deal with you all day. Yeah, see, this was a dumb idea I had. Because actually we both have to go down at the same time for this to work. Another stupid idea you had.
Yeah, right. This
Give me
one I
that.
did.
Give me that. You can't see nothing. Where's that flashlight? Come on. Turn it on. Come on, can you aim it? You can't handle it? Whatever it takes to get the job done. Well, you can't handle it. I'm not working over there. I need the light here where I'm actually working.
The last one you said, like, you idiot. I don't care about this stupid
I know, because you're a fucking moron. So get
Alright, so I got my 2 steel sandwiches completed, ready to go for Monday, being that this is Friday, 4:30. It's a little late to be getting into anything. So I got everything shored up. But I don't want to put this in yet. I don't want to jam them up over the weekend in case I run into a problem, so I'm going to stop now. Monday I'll just have to move a bunch of this stuff here. This is where my beam's going, the first beam. So I gotta cut all this nonsense out of there. Plus I'm gonna have to cut some of this out because I want my beam to slide all the way in to this exterior drywall nonsense. I need to take advantage of this 3.5 inches here. I want my beam to slide all the way in up there. So I'm hoping this is it. I'm hoping there's not another 2x4 back there, but if there is, I'm just gonna have to figure it out, cut it out. Then my second beam's gonna go over here. It's gonna start here somewhere, and it's gonna travel to here. So this is where the pocket door will go. So the beam should wind up over here somewhere. I'm trying to have a foot on each side. See what happens on Monday. So this bathroom has no exhaust fan. So I'm gonna try to add one to it. I'm in a pretty good situation to do it because this is open right now. So I can get up there. So I gotta move all the selectors to put the pocket doors in. So this is the light switch for the bathroom light right now, which I'm gonna have a pocket door going this way. So that can't be there anymore. So I'm gonna put it here. So since I'm putting the light switch here, I can also add a second for the fan. So that's what I'm gonna do. The other good news is I can actually see the rafters here. See that little guy there? And that little guy there. So I'm gonna put my fan in the middle of those. Well, actually hugging one of them so I could screw the fan to it. So now I just gotta bring the marks down. This way I can see what I'm doing in there. The marker, black marker. I'm gonna be on the inside. Got that square. Give me the other one. See, 25 and 1/8. You got the level? Now I'm gonna need the pencil. that square, the small one. Got the level. You see that tape measure? Got the stool. All right. 13 1/8. 25 3/4. Center the toilet. It's like 14 inches. Can't really go off the tile. So it's definitely, that's right, there's crown molding. Go with 14. All right, you got that square. Alright, so I need to do a hole right about here. So if you can cover this, just so I can see where the wood is. Yeah, I started doing a video on adding the exhaust fan, but I got razzled. It was too hot. I was soaking wet. I had to take the GoPro off. But I just wanted to show you that we did complete it. As you can see, the flap door is closed. Let's go in. Ripped all that electric out I was talking about. It's all gone now. Got my fan in there. I couldn't center it because I had to go off of the rafters. Because you need to screw it to the rafters so it's tight. And I put the switches over here. This one's for the light. This one's for the fan. Very quiet fan. Super quiet. Let's go see if the flap door is open. Yes. Very quiet though. Now I gotta put a bird cage on this dryer vent here. I'm gonna replace it eventually, but I saw a bird coming in and out of there with worms, so obviously there's a nest. I'm gonna have to do something about it. But honestly, I don't want to kill the birds, so I need to make sure they're out of there first. And that's it, Monday. I guess we'll start putting those beams in.